Okay, that other video got cut off, so anyway, let's continue on this video. It's actually under profile. You want to do manage prepaid profile. Okay, now you want to let them know this does not add any money yet to their account, and I think I already trained you on this, but we're going to do it again. And this will be called, they can call this whatever you want to call it, Visa card or whatever it's going to be. Put their name, first name, last name, country they're currently in. Address is very important. Address has to be the address on their credit card. So just ask them, it must be the address on their credit card. If they're uncomfortable doing this with you over the phone, that's okay. Just tell them how. You need to train them how to do this. It needs to be manage prepaid profile, okay, and they need to enter all this information. The address, just make sure you stress to them the address must be the one on their credit card, okay, and then address, city, state, zip code, credit card number, expiration date, CVV code, which in most cards is just a 3-digit code on the back. There goes my phone. Okay, any rate, all that needs to be done there, and then after that's done, you need to go to prepay account recharge. That's when the actual payment occurs. After the credit card's set up, then they select the amount. The smallest is $25, the largest is $1,000. So most of them will want to do $25 to start. Click on next, and then it will it says your current credit limit is 0. You want to add $25, and then they the profile name, which we already set up earlier, so it's important for them to remember what that is, whether that was Visa card or whatever. Then they don't have to enter this information. Now, they don't, it looks like from this, now this is the first time I'm going through this, or actually the second. Looks like they could skip the first step and go straight to prepay account recharge, which we just did. And then what they would do is, if they don't want to save their credit card information in the system, they could do it this way. If they wanted to save it, like that first option saves it, all you do is just click on that, and then that can take the place of doing the first option. So really, if you want to, you can just skip the first one and go straight to the second one, if that makes sense. Okay, so once they're everything's set up, I just want to briefly go over this again. Okay, they can go in here, and this is how they start making sales. You want to briefly show them, just take them through a walkthrough on training, and you want to show them, how they can do a pinless top up. Okay, and then we did this before. We'll do it again here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do your number here, and it says, "Are you sure?" And if you get a text message or a call, that's okay. Okay, it's successfully registered. They've got a $2 balance. Encourage them always to give everybody in their store that comes in, everybody, the $2 free. It doesn't cost them a thing. It doesn't cost me anything. It's all around a good thing. Now, here we are right here. So their commission, if you've set them up on 20%, there's always a special going on with call direct. And right now, they've got this race transaction. It says, do it fast. Increase the number of transactions of $8 or more and get 2% cash on all transactions. Okay, so if they do this, they are going to, this is another promotion. Let's just see what this does when I track it here. This is another promotion that if they participate in this, they can track it actually in here. They need to do 75 transactions of $8 or more, and they can earn the money. And this right here will show them how much money they've made. So instead of 20%, they'll make 22%. It's just a fun way they can make more money. Call Direct does a lot of these things. There's a lot of benefits for them using Call Direct, and I'd go through some of these messages here. This is the same thing. This is talking about the race of June. Do it fast, and then always let them know that they can. I know I say this all the time, but they can call the 800 number to participate in this. If they got any questions, call the 800 number. Okay, and then let's see what else is going on. Mobile top-up daily promotion. I won't read all these to you, but Movie Star Guatemala. There's a let's see, Claro Guatemala has announced the following promotions for June 4th. Triple balance. Okay, they can go through here. Just let them know that under the message board is where there's a lot of specials. Now, you want to make sure you train them on the mobile top-up as well. Okay, so they can recharge phones. Most of these phones are in the other country. Some of these phones are within the U.S., of course, is your AT&Ts and Simple Mobiles and Boost Mobiles. If they have pre-way, they're better off going to their pre-ways for the AT&T, Simple, Boost Mobile, etc. Pre-way is a better company in which to do that with. Okay, so they want to select their country first. A lot of times it's going to be Mexico, and then the provider can be Telcel, $11. Then the country code plus the actual phone number. Well, that's not the phone number. The actual phone number. All right. But at any rate, I need to conclude this. I need to get out of my office here today. I'll be on the field. I won't be able to answer the phone, but I will be able to answer Skype. Good luck to you on this project. Hopefully I've provided thorough enough training on this Call Direct. Call Direct is going to be in #1 position. Now, if you talk to any of these pica customers and they say, that, okay, I'd rather have Boss Revolution, that's fine, or even Go Directo, that's fine too. But keep in mind, you can sign them up, and I would prefer you do go ahead and sign them up with Boss Revolution if they want it or they don't have it. Most of them probably have it already. It's the most popular one out there. Make sure another promotion, we didn't go through this one at all, but it's on the email at the bottom that you are going to send to them. And let me just see here. Look at there, you just got an SMS that you got a $2 balance. Now you can use Call Direct to call people from that number. But anyway, in fact, I would encourage you just a second here to maybe try and use this. This is $2. Try if it works from your phone, so you have an understanding of more how Call Direct works. Just call this access number from this phone here that I sent to, the 850-296-7313. I can't remember if that's Google. I think that's Google Voice, your Google Voice number. See if that works. It might not work because it's Google Voice. But anyway, the reason I came in here was this email right here. At the bottom of this email, I mention this, and you want to also verbally mention this too. As soon as the store reaches 300 in pinless sales, we are going to send them a check for $40. Okay, not a credit. It's an actual check for $40. So that's another advantage. You want to make sure you mention the advantages for them using the call direct system. So, like I said, this is not a sale for whether or not they're going to use it. Assume they're going to use call direct, okay? And be very persistent in that. They are going to use call direct. Just give them the benefits and let them know that pica is still around. We don't know how long they'll be around. They may be going out of business. We don't really know. They're just not, they're very financially unstable right now. Encourage them to discontinue using pica and to start using call direct. That's the whole point of your call. Good luck, happy selling to you as well. Just remember, they have to do one transaction before you get paid the $10. So it's very important that you give them the training and encouragement that they need. Skype me with any questions today. Thank you. Have a good day.